Billah, Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Summa Salatu wa Salamu ala Rasulullah amma ba'd. Respected student viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Now, I welcome you back to the continuation of our lesson. So, where we are still in our lesson 2, part 1, but this time around, exercise 4. We are looking at exercises on Harakatul Fataha. So the Harakat Fataha, so that's what we are looking at. We say in English it's equivalent to the vowel A with sound A. So if you go to page 11 of the book, we are using Nurul Bayan. So that's where exercise 4. You will see at the left hand side of the book where they wrote Tadribul Rada. That's the right, the exercise 4 there. So that's what we are going to be looking at in this lesson. If you look at what the author has done this time around, the author did not even bother breaking down the letters. So he believed, having gone through exercise 1, with each letter separated, exercise 2, then exercise 3 and 2 have been joined, only the last one is separated. This time around the author joined the 3 letters together, believing that if we have been following with this lesson and we have been doing the assignment given to us, we would have become an expert gradually. Let me quickly go through the assignment before we proceed. So I remember that I have to go through the assignment. In the assignment, the fourth column, so the fourth column I said is the assignment. If you look at it, the first one, so for those of you that have done the assignment, so you can watch if you are correct. That's how to read and how to link. So this one is shin, Ghain and Fa. Sha, Go, Fa. Sha, Go, Fa. So that is the first correction for those that did not get it right. The second one is Sha, Ro, Ha. It's not Sha, Ro, A with Ain, but Sha, Ro, Ha with Ha. Ha. So the next one is what? Kasaro. Kasaro. The next one is what? Halafa. Halafa. The next one is what? Haja. Hajama. The next one is what? Hatafa. Next, Dayana. Samada. So that is it. I don't think there's anyone that requires lengthy explanation because virtually all the linkage I'm seeing here is what we have gone through. If we had another new one, I would have expanded, but I believe virtually everybody, as long as we have been following up with this lesson, we will not have any issue with that assignment. So quickly, let's go to exercise 4. The first one, let's put the vowels there. The vowel, Fataha. So is what? Sa, ma, ha. Say after me.
Sa, mo, ha.
Sa, ma, ha.
Sa, mo, ha.
We say this one is S, Abi. So if we put the Fataha, Sa, this one is M, Mim is M. If you put the Fataha, Ha is what? H. If you put the Fataha, so Sa, Ma, Ha.
Sa, mo, ha.
So the next one is what? Kha, La, Da. Say it.
Kha, la, da.
I said Kha can be represented with KH. And that is why I gave us an example yesterday that if you want to spell Khadija, so and Khadija actually starts with what? Kha. So if you put the vowel The R sound, which is the fatha, is kho. Lam is what? M. If you put the vowel sound, la. Da is what? D. If you put the vowel sound, is now what? Kholada.
Khalada.
Kholada.
Khalada.
So we have to take note. If you lengthen it a little bit, the mud comes in. That's the letter of stretch. So if you say khola, you stretch the letter. So kholada.
Khalada.
So this one. Nababo.
Nabado.
This is N, right? None is N. If you add the vowels, ba is B. Bo does not have a replica. I said it. So if you go and put D as do, so you will end up pronouncing it as nabada, which is not nabada. It's nababo.
Nobado.
Nababo.
Nobado.
Nababo.
Nobado.
So that is why it's not easy to read the Quran with the transliteration version. You are going to be making gross error. Some letters do not really have a replica. So if you see people using some, they are just trying their best so that can get something close, but you can't get the exact replica. So this one is what? Nasafa.
Nosafa.
Nasafa.
Nosafa.
So the same thing, N, right? S. Faf is F. Nasafa.
Nosafa.
Okay. So this one, or you can say or.
To.
So which letter can we use in English? It doesn't have a replica. If you say T, you are going to ta. Because you just say, if you go and use T, example, let's say we are using T. Raw, we say is R, right? Faf, we say is what? F.
Puff.
Okay, this puff, okay. Yesterday, no, not yesterday, our previous, I think 2 lessons back, when I was giving replica of puff, I said Q. So, but Q2 does not really denote puff. Because if you put Q and so you see, you're going to pronounce this Taraka. Can you see? But this is actually Toroko.
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 So this no replica. This no. In fact, raw too is actually, but because raw is an heavy letter, it's not raw fatia ra. It's raw fatia raw. So let me remove this too. So this is what. Toroko. Say it.
Toroko.
Okay. So this one, we have missed something here. What's there? It should be known, right?
Lamb. Lamb.
Lamb.
Lamb.
Okay, it's lamb. Okay, maybe my hand training. Okay, it's lamb. So this one is what? Lamasa.
Lamasa.
Lamasa. So
Lamasa.
we don't have issue with this one because they all have replica. They all have what? Replica in the English. Lamasa. So the next one is what? Walada.
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 So wa we say is W. Lam is that is what? Walada.
Walada.
The next one is what? Na ka so. Say it.
No castle.
Na ka so.
No castle.
Let's see the replica. Na ka so. So does not really have a replica. So na ka so. Say it.
No castle.
Okay. So the next one is what? Naharo. Say it.
Naharo.
Okay. So this one, ha, does not really have a replica. Also in English, we only have Hamza is A, but ha is like a big Hamza. That's why they call it ha baba. So I don't know any alphabet in English that would sound like a big A. So I don't know. So you just have to know the articulation that is pronounced ha. Is a letter of the throat. Ha. Ha. So Naharo.
Naharo.
So this one, Cornersaw.
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 Okay, what is this one going to be? Can somebody say it?
Tolako.
Tolako. Beautiful. Tolako.
Tolako.
Okay, this?
No sofa.
No sofa.
No sofa.
No sofa.
No sofa.
Good. If people are getting it, we are moving. This is going to be what?
Tarako.
Taraka.
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 Good. Beautiful. So this one is going to be what?
Hamosa.
Hamaza. Beautiful.
Hamosa.
Hamaza.
Hamosa.
Okay, this one is going to be what?
Warado. Warada.
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 Excellent. So this is going to be what?
Nokosa.
Nakosa. If you say nakosa, if I'm to write nakosa, I'm going to write like this. This is nakosa. 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 So it's different from nakosa. So as if you want to whisper something out. So nakosa.
Nokoso.
Okay, the next one, what's this one? Wala go. Now, wala, no, it's not go. Wala ga is jin fatha ja.
Okay.
Wala ja. Wala ja. So this one is going to be what?
Soharo.
Soharo. Barakallahu fiqh. You are correct. So this one is going to be what?
Asaro.
Atharo. Beautiful. Say it again. Atharo. Atharo. Okay. This is going to be what?
Fatana.
Fatana. Fatana. Okay. This is going to be what?
Rokoda.
Take note, I'm hearing like, don't allow that sound. Rokoda. So if you say roko, if I want to write it, I'm going to put ha. So, and this one is ko. Rokoda. Now, so this one is going to be what?
Hasada.
Beautiful. Hasada. Okay, this one is going to be what?
Basato.
This is going to be what? Natharo. Beautiful. Natharo. Beautiful. So this is going to be what?
Roba'a.
Beautiful. Barakallahu fiqh. Roba'a. Okay, what about this?
Sodaro.
You have gotten this lesson. Barakallahu fiqh. Sodaro.
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 Okay, this is going to be what?
Qanaha.
Qana'a.
Qanaha.
Qana'a.
Qanaha.
Okay, this?
Fataro.
Fa, not that.
Fatoro.
Faqara.
You used to hear our students say al-faqara. This is the fataro they are saying. Time to, they say al-faqara, that's the time to go and eat and drink. From iftar. Fatara is like breakfast, to break fast. To break fast, that's the first meal in the morning. Faqara.
Fatoro.
But if you now change it to fataro, ta, not to, you've changed the meaning. So it's actually faqara.
Fatoro.
That's where they remove iftar, during Ramadan. During Ramadan, you hear people saying, is it time for iftar? Is it time to break? So our first meal. So now, this one is what?
Rokodo.
Kado.
Rockabo.
Rokado.
Okay, this is what?
Afaro.
You have to differentiate between al-ainu and al-amza. So, is what?
Ansar.
Barakallahu fi. Atharo.
Azaro.
No, that.
Azaro.
Atharo. Okay, the next one is what?
Basoko.
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 The last but not the least is what?
Nafafa.
Nafatha. Barakallahu fi. You've gotten this lesson 100%. Can guarantee you. Nafatha. So with this, I think we have come to the end of this exercise 4 in our lesson 2, part 1, where we are looking at Harakatul Fataha. Don't forget, as usual, the fourth column, I'm leaving it as an assignment for us to go and practice. But not only that, we are expected to practice everything. But because we have gone through this one, so if you are able to do that one that we didn't go through yourself, that shows that you've gotten this lesson 100%. So, and I guarantee you that if you continue following, the sky is going to be your limit. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that any latest video we upload or lessons, you can always, your YouTube can always bring it up for you. So I wish us best of luck. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you in the next lesson. Bye.